Kids, I think you're old enough that I can finally tell you the story of Paperface. Would you like to hear about some of Dad's long-lost friends?
Yeah, Daddy.
Well, good. It all started when I was driving around with some of my best friends. Cop Harold, Dusty, Shrek, Chef Cranky. We stopped at a random house because Dusty needed to use the bathroom, and we were quite fans of trespassing. What we did not know is that day would change our lives forever. Most of us never made it out. Turns out, deep in the darkest, dingiest bowels of that old, abandoned house lied an absolute monster. His name was Paperface. One by one, he captured and killed. I watched this well-dressed, chainsaw-slinging monster eat my friends. I was trapped for days. I was sure I was going to be the next to die. And then out of nowhere, the one person that made it out alive comes back to save me. But in doing so, he signed his own death warrant. I barely escaped. That deranged maniac Paperface has been hunting me down for 30 years. It hasn't found me yet. That's how we got to where I am today. End of story.
That's a great story, Dad.
Thanks. Now get to bed! Dad?
Son, you gotta start packing your boxes. You got a lot to pack up. We're moving soon.
Moving? Why?
Because of you.
What?
Because you got the cops after us. Well, start packing boxes.
Alright, kids. Good night. Now let Daddy touch you with his mustache.
Mustache is fuzzy.
Yeah. I know, right?
Do you think Paperface will ever come back?
Not a chance. But if he does, I'm always gonna keep you kids safe. Good night.
Go.
Lion!
Where are you?
What is that? Who's there? Wait, how did you find me? Oh shoot, it was Facebook, wasn't it? I've been training to fight you my whole life! Oh! Ah!
Nada.